And Makeup. It is Jennifer Woolsey, your fellow beauty blogger, apparently. And I'm coming out this morning to do a quick makeup tutorial with you, and we're going to talk a little bit about don't sweat the small stuff. So I have a couple of things that has happened, and so I wanted to share my perspective on these things and see if it's maybe something that you can take away that will help you. So let's hop in. I've already done my skincare regimen. I am isinoxing Anew. I'm using the whole system with the eye serum, the face serum, the day cream, and the night cream. And I added in a little Aqua Bomb eye balm for my eye area, just because I feel like it's needing a little refreshing. So we're just gonna, do that. So let's hop in, and we're gonna go ahead and do a primer this morning. We're gonna do our VDL Lumelayer Glow. We're gonna have a little glow because I got to talk to you girls about some stuff. I mean, we're friends, right? You, me, we're friends? Okay, well then we're gonna chat. So it's already been a day. Of course I overslept first thing, which is why it's like midday and we're doing this makeup tutorial. That's okay, because guess what? I still took a shower. So in my world as a mom, I'm winning, right? So just primed a little bit, set that makeup in place, so we're good to go. So I have to tell you what happened. So I woke up this morning, I was in a crazy, wild mess. We're gonna do Cashmere, Complexion, and shade Matcha under these eyes. Complete mess, trying to get everything together, and I just decided that, you know what, I'm just gonna put some leggings on, pull my hair back, and we're just gonna go. Just gonna go like this and not really care about anybody's opinion. And then I get halfway to town, of course, my tire is low, all the things. Good morning, Angie. So what are some things that happen in your life that kind of throw you off? I think that is the first thing I wanted to know. Share with me in the comments, because we're girlfriends, we're sharing. What are some things that throw you off? So I get halfway to town and my tire light comes on and I can feel it like something's up. The boys are already late for school. I'm like, great. So I safely deliver the children. They are safely delivered. And I'm like, okay, let's go get this tire fixed. So I go to the place that I always go to get my tire fixed and go ahead and let's go ahead and do an oil change while we're here. So I do an oil change, and then I'm like, okay, so which tire is it? And he tells me. I'm like, okay, so I'll pull over to the tire place to get fixed, which is part of the same place. And I pull over there, and they're like, yeah, we're not going to be able to fix it today. We're too busy. Okay. I live in a super small town, like super small. And so he's like, you need to go down to the tire shop down the road, and they'll help you. I'm like, okay. Cashmere Complexion Powder Foundation. This is in 120 that we're going to use today. So I go down to the other tire shop, and I'm like, there's something in my tire. I don't know what's going on. It's been going low. So we get down there, and of course, apparently everybody in town is there with a flat tire. Good morning, Christina. So I am waiting it out. And I'm like, okay, so they finally get to me, and he's like, you're gonna have to get out of the car. Okay, remember, I was already running late, so I have my leggings and a t-shirt on, and it is cold, okay? It is cold. So I'm like, okay, so I get out, and I'm like, I'll just go in the office part and wait. It's locked because of COVID. So I'm standing on top of a hill in my leggings and my t-shirt. Luckily, I put a sports bra on, because otherwise, I would have been in big trouble. So I stand out there for like 15 minutes. Of course, there's a nail in my tire. And so I'm just kind of buffing this in case you're like, what is she doing? I'm just buffing this into my skin. So finally I get it fixed. And I'm like, okay, thank you. Okay, it's done. So I'm going to head home, and it's going to be a great day. I'm going to get everything done that I need to get done. It's going to be a great day. Right. So I get home, and I'm like, okay, I need to get in the shower. I need to do my makeup. I need to, I've got emails to send out. I've got things to do. And this is our Tattoo Station brow pencil. Love this brow pencil. And what I do first is just kind of brush up those brows. and just kind of make them a little bit fluffier. And then I'm going to just fill in. You can see kind of the sparse parts. So I get home and I have all these I have several messages popping in from my business page and from my YouTube channel. If you guys don't follow me, be sure you like and follow this page and go check it out on YouTube. Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz. Follow me there because I could use some girlfriends, some support. So I got a message from this lady, and apparently she said, so I'm a fellow blogger, beauty blogger, and I just wanted to reach out to you and tell you that I've been checking out your videos for a while, and I think it's time for you to get out of your bathroom doing your videos. I'm like, okay. She said, you're giving beauty bloggers a bad name, and you are not being very professional in your bathroom. I was like, okay. First of all, I did not ask for this person's opinion, so let that be your first lesson today in not sweating the small stuff. Don't give people your opinion if they don't ask for it. People aren't walking around just waiting for you to give them your opinion. I mean, that's just truly not the case. As much as we like to give our opinions, people aren't sitting there waiting for your opinion. Now, if they ask for it, it's a little bit different. Me too, Angie. It's total squirrel. I'm like, everything puts me off. So I am sitting there for a second. I'm like, let me go check out her page. So I go and check out her YouTube channel. And truly, you can't even really see her face in her YouTube channel, in her videos, because they are so dark. Like, the lighting is so dark. And I was like, okay, so you can either, one, take this person's opinion as gospel and take it personally, or two, you can thank her for the advice and go forth and just do what you know is best for your life. So, which one would you do? Would you take that opinion personally, or would you just go forth and do whatever you need to do with your own life? Share with me in the comments. I'm interested to hear. So I just responded back to her and said, thank you so much for your opinion. I'm working on a studio-like setting for my makeup tutorials, but I sure appreciate the way that you gave me advice. In the future, you might wait for someone to ask for advice before you give it. Just a thought. Have a beautiful day. And I closed it, and I was trying to be nice because I wanted to give her some opinions. I mean, we all have opinions, right? They're kind of like buttholes. Everybody's got one, but they don't smell good, right? I'm getting frank, girlfriends, today. We're frank. I wanted to give her all kinds of opinions. We're going to use this So Gorgeous eye palette this morning. This is a nude palette. It's still for sale on my website. Look at all those beautiful colors. Yeah, I wanted to give her all the opinions because she hurt my feelings. And right, that happens. But my decision was, I'm going to do this shade and this shade. Actually, I may pick up a little bit of this one for our crease. Can you see those shades I'm picking up? So my thoughts are that, you know what? Two wrongs don't make a right. And somebody offering their opinion on me isn't going to make or break me. I'm going to continue to do what I love to do. And to be quite frank, I love doing makeup tutorials with you guys and showing you what I'm doing. But I do this because I love to talk to my girlfriends while I'm getting ready. It really doesn't have, and I want to show you things that I'm trying and things that I'm finding. So I'm not really going for the most professional grade here. I'm just doing what I love. And nobody's perfect. No one is perfect. The only perfect person walked on earth and died for us. To not be mean to other people. That was my reminder today. So I'm working my crease, and you can see I went a little bit above my natural crease, and I'm creating a crease because I have hooded eyes, and we want to make like a faux crease because I'm sharing with my girlfriends today. So what are some things that happen in your life that are small things, but maybe they hurt, maybe they sting a little bit? Let's see. Just wanted to share some good news. I'm almost to my, oh, way to go, Christina. Great job. Yes, I'm a real woman in my bathroom, putting on my makeup with my girlfriends, right? So we're just keeping it real here. And my other thought was, if you don't like it, keep moving on, because there's lots of other people to go watch. That was kind of my other thought process on that. Okay. We went a little bit wider on the other eye, so I'm going to just kind of even that out. Okay, let's pull in some lighter shades in this palette. I think we're going to play a little bit today on this gold and this neutral here. We're going to kind of mix those in to blend with our crease. Let me know what you think here. And I'm trying to bring it up in that crease area. Just kind of give it a more of a 3D look and blend it in a little bit. So I guess my advice today is, how do you not sweat the small stuff? Because here's the thing, whether it be your mom, your grandma, your best friend, some random stranger on social media, everybody's going to have an opinion. Everybody has an opinion. But how you live your life and the things that you do to live your life is really between you and God, right? I mean, if you're making your spouse proud and you're making yourself proud and your kids proud, and you're not like doing something like not harming anybody or like murdering anybody, please don't do that. I'm going to pull this lighter shade right here and I'm going to highlight right underneath that brow bone. Girl, whether anybody likes my bathroom tutorials or not, it makes me happy. And that truly is what matters, is that you are happy. I'm going to soften that just a little bit. To soften it, I'm just taking that brow color and I'm just kind of patting it down. There we go. There we go, right? Okay, let's do our On Point eyeliner today. I love this eyeliner. It's one of my favorite. I love this palette, Angie. It's the So Gorgeous palette. It's still available. If you search on AVOn now on your website or on your bulk order, you can still order this. It has so many gorgeous colors. And I think it's on sale for like $7.99. I mean, you can't beat a palette that's well pigmented, has all of those pods in it for $7.99. It's a bargain. Okay, I'll share it in my Facebook group. Okay, going a little bit thicker on the outside line. I'm not really sure what we're listening to here. Not sure it's English. That's okay. We're not sweating the small stuff today. I think it is. I do. I think it's $7.99, and you can still sell it to your customers too. Yep, pretty sure this is not English. There we go. There we go. So, what are some ways that you overcome people's opinions? I think that's another thing. For me, it is not letting other people's opinions stop you in your tracks from doing the things that you want to do, because everybody's got one. love mascara. And so when I truly decided, you know what, I'm going to be successful with my business and I'm going to make an income for my family that can help support them, and I'm not going to stop, was when I quit listening to the opinion of other people. Because here's the thing, this is sad but true. People around us sometimes don't want us to be successful, because then that makes them look lazy. I just dropped a bomb on you. Are you ready for this? Sometimes people around us don't want us to be successful because it makes them look lazy. And what is success? It doesn't necessarily mean that you have all the money in the world. It means that you're doing what you love, you're able to take care of things that you want, and that you are building something that you're proud of. That to me is what success is. I love this Love mascara. I love it. It's a success. Uh-oh. I'm a real woman with mascara on my nose. Look at that. It just wiped right off. Take my brush, my powder brush, touch it up a little bit. Okay, let's do same thing with this, Angie. This is going to blow your mind. This is the Blush and Love Cheek Palette. This is still one of my very favorite palettes, and it's still available, and it's like $7.99 too. It's got the blush and the highlighter all in one. So I'm going to pull up this blush. I'll share those two things with you guys here in Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz on Facebook, because you're totally, or you can just search my website, which is youravon.com/jwoolsey, and find it, or your website if you're an Avon representative. Okay. Picking up the highlighter, and I'm going to go right above that cheekbone, because I am made to shine, and I'm going to shine today whether my fellow beauty blogger thinks I do or not in my bathroom. It really didn't bother me that bad. I'm really not going to let it get to me. Okay, we're going to go bold today. We're going to go bold. How about that? We are going to do Tenacious and Mattitude. Love these Mattitudes. It's a liquid lipstick, and it stays, I got a hair or something on my face, stays with you all day long. It has such beautiful colors. Sounds like somebody's outside my house, which would be normal in a normal setting, but I live in the country, so probably not very normal. Okay, I'm running low on that one, so it's a little bit dry. I'm going to go with my lip tint bar over the top of it. There we go. Okay, so quit worrying about the small stuff. Quit. Yay, Christina, that's awesome. Does hubby like you in makeup or without? Or either way, he didn't really care. He's fine either way. He does like my hair longer. I want to cut it off. He likes it long, so I'm going to let it grow. Makeup wise, he will compliment me if I take the time to put my makeup on, but I don't think he cares either way. He doesn't like waiting on me to get dressed. I will tell you that. So here's my advice. Everybody's going to have an opinion. Don't give it value. Everybody is going to want to put their priorities on you. Make sure it's your priorities first. And don't let the little things knock you off track. Keep going for the things that you want. Quit sweating the small stuff. And have an amazing day. Share this video. It may be helpful for somebody else you know. And if you want to shop with me, you can do so at youravon.com/jwoolsey. That's JWOLSEY, or with the representative that shared this video. Get with them and they'll share their website. So thanks, guys. Have a great day, and we'll see you all later. Bye-bye.